Okay, this is their ceramic center, most famous in Uzbekistan.
And this is ready-made ceramics products. And then you may see the process over there.
The process.
The process is here.
Yeah, okay, this is how it made process. Okay. Okay, this one. Master of Uzbekistan.
Okay.
Yours. Eight. You can make also. No.
Are you studying?
Handmade. This is one another.
Mister, how old are you? How old are you?
Anlarcan.
You are Anwar John. How old are you? Yoshinnichida.
16'da.
16. He's 16
16?
years old.
Okay.
He's master of arts from the early age. Yeah. Good job. Kaçandan beri şullanasan bu iş bilen?
Bir yıl bo'ldi.
It's 1 year since he began this job. Yeah.
You're so good.
Nice hand control.